This is a new text called The Smell of Soup and the Sound of Money. There are quite a few new words that you need to learn. The first word is narrator. A narrator is the person who is telling the story. En forteller en person som leser historien. In this text, there are a few characters because this text is actually a short play. I denne teksten det en del karakterer eller roller, fordi denne teksten et kort skuespill. Vi skal dramatisere denne teksten i klasserommet. Og karakterene the characters are narrator, forteller, young man, ung mann, old lady, gammel dame, restaurant owner, restauranteier, judge, dommer, assistant, assistent. Now, I am going to read sentences, and when I pause, you will repeat after me. Jeg skal nå lese, og når jeg stopper for en pause, så gjentar du etter meg. The smell of soup and the sound of money. This short play is based on an old tale. Før vi nå fortsetter, så må vi se litt på de nye glosene. De ser du nederst på siden her. Jeg sier glosene, og du gjentar etter meg. Responsibility. Ansvar. Play. Skuespill. Based on. Basert på. Tale. Historie. Narrator. Forteller. Is begging. Tigger. Comes along. Kommer gående. Soul. Sjel. Starving. Utsultet. Bless. Velsigne. Across. På andre siden. Sign. Skilt. Paying. Betalende. Customers. Kunder. Leads to. Fører til. Steaming pot. Dampende gryte. You need to learn these new words, both in order to understand the text, but also in order to expand your vocabulary. Disse nye ordene må du lære deg, både for å forstå teksten, men også for å utvide ordforrådet ditt. Now, let's get back to the text. In a city not far from here, a poor and hungry young old lady is begging on the street. A young man comes along. Please help a poor soul. I am starving. I don't have any money. But I have this piece of bread. Here, take it. Thank you. God bless you. Good luck to you. I wish I had something good to eat. With this bread. Across the street there is a restaurant. Outside there is a sign for soup. The old lady crosses the street slowly and goes to the restaurant. At the door, the restaurant owner stops her. What are you doing here, old lady? This is no place for beggars. Get out of here. Help me, please. I have this bread, but nothing to eat with it. Can you give me some soup? Can you pay? I have no money. My soup is for paying customers only. Now leave. I don't want to see you here again. The old lady leaves and walks around the corner. The back door to the restaurant is open. It leads to the kitchen. No one is there. The old lady walks in. She sees a steaming pot of vegetable soup.